Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use editing pack in CapCut. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. An editing pack in CapCut typically refers to a collection of pre-made assets like transitions, effects, filters, fonts, and overlays that you can download or create to enhance your video editing. Here's how you can use an editing pack in CapCut. First things first is to open the CapCut and tap on New Project. Choose the video clips you want to edit. Now, let's add elements from the editing pack. Once your project is set up, here's how you can add different elements from the editing pack. Tap on Overlay at the bottom of the screen. Choose Add Overlay. Then locate the image or video overlay files that you got from editing pack. Tap on it. Then tap on Add. Adjust the position, size. Then to adjust opacity, tap on opacity. Then adjust the opacity to reveal your video clip and tap on the check button. Once you have applied all the desired effects from the editing pack, tap the play button to preview your project. If everything looks good, tap export in the top right corner. Choose your export resolution and frame rate. Then tap export again to save the video to your device. By following these steps, you can easily integrate and use elements from an editing pack in CapCut, allowing you to elevate your video edits with professional looking assets and effects. And that's all for now folks. Thanks for watching.